Scots, I'm Kim.
Happy Friday and welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
Let's get into some announcements for today.
Are you ready, Scots? Next week, Highland travels to Bikini Bottom with our spring production, the SpongeBob Musical. The show opens next Friday in the Wall. The show plays Friday and Saturday, April 12th, 13th, 19th, and 20th at 7 p.m. General admission is $15 and $10 for students with ASB stickers and children under 12 years old.
Juniors and seniors, prom bids go on sale next Monday for $50 with ASB and $55 without. You must have all your debt cleared. If you are bringing a non-Highland student, you must pick up a permission slip in the activities office and return to the dean's office. The last day to purchase tickets is April 25th at lunch.
As of April 1st, only cash and credit card payments will be accepted in the finance office.
Like, you should be this girl I used to talk to, and I used to get her notification, and it was just Clash of Clans. But this is good though. This is just as good. You know, this is cool. Like,
oh yeah. I don't think Clash of Clans gives notifications for it.
They don't?
No.
I think like
attention. We'll be conducting a tardy sweep. Get to class now.
Oh bro, hurry up, bro.
Hey bro, you gotta get that done by 2:20.
Oh my gosh, what time is it? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be late. Hey, what's your problem? Oh, is it too late to swing the sin?
I think tomorrow.
Whew. At least there's no damage done.
Now we are going with our sports team.
What's going on, guys? I'm Julian Medina.
Welcome to sports. I'm Peter Parra.
Spring practice for football is starting next week.
Check out the schedule, and if you have any more questions,
Stop by Coach Gutierrez's room with any questions at 7J.
these sporting events will also be happening this month.
3-on-3 basketball tournament, April 23rd.
The Powder Puff game is happening on April 24th.
That's it for us.
Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thanks for watching today's show.
And always remember to plaid up.